All right, so it's a busy day for me, and just want to vlog, document this thing. I've been busy with so many interviews. I mean, like so many meetings. Uh, there are other Funnel Hacking Live 2021 going on, which I have to be there, and there is one summit which I'm attending. I need to present, and also in terms of passionpreneurs, which I have to do one-on-one calls and managing the team and this business. So since morning, I was feeling like I'm occupied with lot many things, and on top of that, I need to form a new company for my tax purpose. And you can see the printer sound going on, which I'm printing the documents so that I need to sign that. The team will take care of that. So I can manage this. But what happened is sometimes I get the feeling that is it something I really want? Is it something I should want? I quit my job for the purpose of getting freedom, achieving time freedom. But is this something that I really want? Is a question that is coming in my mind. But the thing is, everybody has 24 hours. Every millionaire, billionaire has 24 hours. But how efficiently are we using the time is very important. The thought when it came in my mind, I was thinking, is it my efficiency level right? Am I organizing my day correctly or not? That shows how my behavior throughout the day. It's not that I can't manage that, but the only thing is I can manage the stuff only which the things I can organize or plan ahead. And today is the day which I missed one of the meeting. I don't know, it was not added in the calendar. It was my mistake. I don't blame anyone. But there will be ad hoc things that will come. But you need to understand, first of all, when you are becoming an entrepreneur, you need to understand whether you have the right capacity to manage the things, or is it a capacity problem, or is it a managing and organizing or planning the things is a problem. So most people want to do a lot of things in a day. They now again, I have my kid and I need to feed him as well. So everyone wants to do like a lot of things achieve in their life, but few of the things you need to plan. Not everything that you do are really a priority or not really important things, or not. There could be something that can be you can actually outsource, like forming a new company. I'm not doing that. I just have outsourced to a CA. I'm just paying him. Just give me some documents. I need to sign it up, or running ads or something. So you need to be very careful when you're becoming an entrepreneur. You need to manage the time. Now time can't be managed. It's about your mind. You need to manage. You need to prime your mind so that you are ready for the big things. Now if you are a solo entrepreneur, the number one reason why you are stuck is because you are doing things solo. And when you outsource the stuff to other people who are experts in that in their area, then you have the right time to think. And entrepreneurs are the persons who need time to think, and that is what I've been struggling. Today I didn't have enough thinking time, and this is afternoon right now, and I was everything was thinking like chaos. Like, oh my god, this task, I have to do this task. Let me bring you this. I got to sign all these documents. So it's not about time management. It's about mind management. Where the focus goes, the energy flows. So where are you focusing on in your business? Where are you focusing in your life? Is it like you're focusing on too many things in a day? Then your thing will be very, very chaos. Or you focusing on multiple things and what time? It's going to be a big problem. So manage your mind, manage your thought, manage your focus, so that you become successful, right? We can, like Ambani or Bill Gates, they run big multi-crore like business. They don't do everything by themselves. They hire smart people who can help them to do. So is the case. If you are a solo entrepreneur, man, it's a high time for you to get someone who can help you, right? And also manage your time, manage your focus. All right, I got a meeting. I'll join, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.